How to change your privacy settings on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your account privacy settings on Twitter app. Now it's quite simple and quite easy. First, open up the Twitter app. You'll get an interface like this. Make sure you're logged into your account and tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once you're head into settings and support, and under settings and support you can find settings and privacy. Now here, if you scroll down below, you'll find the privacy and safety option. Simply tap on it and you'll find all your privacy settings here. If you head into audience and tagging, if you toggle this protect your tweets on, your account will be set to private and only your current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. If you head into your tweets, you can mark media you tweet as containing material that may be sensitive. And if you head back again, head into content you see here and you can see the display media that may sensitive contents. Now, if you toggle the switch on, you'll be able to view sensitive contents. If you toggle the switch off, you won't be able or you won't be shown sensitive contents. Here, head into mute and block and you can see blocked accounts, muted accounts and such. So basically you'll find all your privacy settings and you can change it from here. So these are the way you can change your privacy settings on Twitter. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.